Imagine waking up every day excited to work. No more soul-crushing commute, no more answering to a boss you don't respect. This is the power of turning your passion into profit. What if I told you that in 2025, this dream is closer than you think? What if you could ditch the 9-to-5 grind and build a business around what you love? It's not a fantasy, it's the reality of the online world. This could be you. Let's explore how. The online business landscape is booming. By 2025, experts predict e-commerce sales will reach a staggering $6.3 trillion globally. This massive growth means opportunity is everywhere. Whether you're passionate about photography, fitness, cooking, or anything in between, there's a hungry online audience waiting to connect with you. The internet has broken down traditional barriers to entry. You don't need a fancy office or a huge marketing budget. All you need is passion, a laptop, and an internet connection. 2025 is your year to claim your piece of the online pie. Let's be real. Starting an online business can feel daunting. You might be thinking, what if I fail? What if I'm not good enough? What if I don't know where to start? These are all valid fears. But here's the truth. Every successful entrepreneur has faced these same doubts. The difference is, they didn't let fear paralyze them. Remember, you don't need to have all the answers right away. Start with small steps. Learn as you go. Embrace the journey. The biggest regret is not trying at all. The good news is there are more tools and resources available than ever before to help you succeed online. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your existing business, the digital landscape is brimming with opportunities. From e-commerce platforms to social media marketing, the possibilities are endless. E-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon make it incredibly easy to set up an online store and start selling products. These platforms offer a range of features, from customizable storefronts to integrated payment gateways, making it simple for anyone to launch their own online business. Whether you're selling handmade crafts, digital products, or dropshipping items, these platforms provide the tools you need to manage your inventory, process orders, and reach a global audience. Social media marketing. Connect with your target audience and build a loyal following through platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Social media marketing allows you to engage with your customers in real time, share updates about your products, and create compelling content that resonates with your audience. By leveraging the power of social media, you can drive traffic to your online store, increase brand awareness, and foster a community of loyal customers who are excited about your brand. Online courses and communities. Learn from experts in your field and connect with other entrepreneurs through online courses and communities. These resources provide valuable insights, tips, and strategies that can help you grow your business. Whether you're looking to improve your marketing skills, learn about new technologies, or network with like-minded individuals, online courses and communities offer a wealth of knowledge and support. Many platforms also offer forums and discussion groups where you can ask questions, share experiences, and get feedback from other entrepreneurs. These are just a few examples of the powerful tools at your disposal. The digital world is constantly evolving, and new tools and resources are being developed all the time. By staying informed and keeping up with the latest trends, you can ensure that your online business remains competitive and continues to grow. From analytics tools that help you track your performance to automation software that streamlines your workflow, there's no shortage of resources to help you succeed. With a little research and effort, you'll be amazed by the resources available to support your online business journey. Take the time to explore different tools, experiment with new strategies, and connect with other entrepreneurs. The more you invest in learning and growing, the more successful your online business will become. Remember, the key to success is not just having the right tools, but also knowing how to use them effectively. So dive in, stay curious, and embrace the endless possibilities that the digital world has to offer. Meet Sarah. A year ago, she was stuck in a dead-end job, feeling unfulfilled. Every day felt like a monotonous routine, and she longed for something more meaningful. Her one joy? Baking delicious, artisanal bread in her tiny apartment kitchen. The smell of freshly baked bread, the feel of kneading dough, and the joy of creating something from scratch brought her immense happiness. It was her escape, her passion, and her creative outlet. Despite the long hours at her desk job, Sarah always found time to bake. She would wake up early to prepare dough and stay up late to perfect her recipes. Her friends and family couldn't get enough of her bread, and they often encouraged her to pursue baking more seriously. But Sarah was hesitant. The idea of turning her hobby into a career seemed daunting. One day, after a particularly stressful day at work, Sarah decided to take a leap of faith. She started by sharing her passion with the world. She began documenting her baking journey, capturing every step of the process, from mixing ingredients to the final golden brown loaves. She wanted to show people the joy and satisfaction that came from baking. Sarah created an Instagram account to showcase her mouth-watering creations. She posted photos of her beautifully crafted bread, shared tips and tricks, and even posted videos of her baking process. Her account quickly gained followers who were captivated by her passion and talent. People from all over the world started reaching out, asking for recipes and advice. Encouraged by the positive response, Sarah decided to take it a step further. She offered online baking workshops where she taught others how to bake their own bread. These workshops were a hit, and she loved connecting with fellow baking enthusiasts. She even launched her own e-commerce store, selling homemade sourdough starter kits, which became incredibly popular. Fast forward to today, and Sarah is living her dream. She quit her job, built a thriving online business, and now spends her days doing what she loves. Her story is not unique. It's a testament to the power of turning your passion into a profitable online business. Sarah's journey shows that with determination, creativity, and a bit of courage, anyone can transform their hobby into a successful career. Sarah's success didn't come overnight. It took countless hours of hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. She faced challenges along the way, from perfecting her recipes to managing the logistics of running an online store, but she never gave up. Her passion for baking kept her motivated, and the support from her followers and customers fueled her drive. Today, Sarah's business continues to grow. She has expanded her product line, collaborated with other bakers, and even started a blog to share her baking adventures. Her story has inspired many others to pursue their passions and turn them into successful ventures. Sarah's journey is a reminder that it's never too late to follow your dreams and create a life you love. So if you have a passion that you believe in, take that leap of faith. Share your talent with the world, and you might just find that it leads to something extraordinary. Just like Sarah, you too can turn your passion into a thriving business and live a life filled with joy and fulfillment. Remember, Sarah's story is not unique. It's a testament to the power of turning your passion into a profitable online business. With determination, creativity, and a bit of courage, anyone can transform their hobby into a successful career. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey today and see where your passion can take you. Section 6. The power of leverage. One of the most beautiful aspects of online business is leverage. Leverage allows you to multiply your efforts and achieve more with less. It's about working smarter, not harder. Unlike a traditional job where your income is directly tied to your time, an online business allows you to create systems and automate processes. This means you can set up workflows that operate independently of your direct involvement. By doing so, you free yourself from the limitations of trading time for money. Imagine having the freedom to spend your time as you wish, knowing that your business is still generating income. Imagine writing an ebook once and selling it thousands of times. Each sale adds to your income without requiring additional effort from you. This is a prime example of leverage in action, or creating an online course that generates passive income while you sleep. The initial effort of creating the course pays off repeatedly as students enroll and learn from your content. This is the power of leverage. It allows you to scale your business and reach a wider audience without a proportional increase in effort. By designing your business strategically, you can create a sustainable income stream that works for you, not the other way around. This involves identifying opportunities for automation, outsourcing tasks that don't require your personal touch, and focusing on activities that generate the highest returns. Leverage also means leveraging the skills and talents of others. Building a team of skilled individuals can exponentially increase your business's capacity and efficiency. Collaboration and delegation are key components of leveraging human resources. Additionally, leveraging technology is crucial. Utilizing advanced software tools and platforms can streamline your operations, provide valuable insights through data analysis, and enhance your overall productivity. Networking and building relationships with other entrepreneurs and industry experts can also provide leverage. These connections can open doors to new opportunities, partnerships, and collaborations that can propel your business forward. Ultimately, the power of leverage lies in its ability to amplify your efforts and create a business that thrives independently of your constant input. By strategically leveraging your time, resources, and connections, you can achieve greater success and enjoy the freedom that comes with it. Section 7. Action fuels success. Knowledge is power, but only when put into action. You can read all the books and watch all the videos in the world, but until you take that first step, nothing will change. Start small. Create a website. Open an online store. Launch that social media account you've been dreaming about. Don't wait for the perfect time or until you feel ready. The perfect time is now. Jump in, get your hands dirty, and learn as you go. Section 8. Your journey starts now. Turning your passion into a profitable online business is not a pipe dream. It's a very real possibility for anyone with the drive and determination to make it happen. Remember, success leaves clues. Learn from those who have come before you. Embrace the tools and resources available. And most importantly, believe in yourself and your vision. The online world is your oyster. What are you waiting for? Section 9. Share your vision. Ignite your future. What are you passionate about? What skills or talents do you possess that you could share with the world? Share your business ideas in the comments below. Let's brainstorm together and turn those dreams into reality. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. In my next video, I'll be sharing my top tips for launching a successful online venture in 2025. Let's do this!